Craving that perfect balance of fudgy, chewy, and irresistibly rich? Say hello to this game-changing keto brownie. Now we'll start with almond flour. In a small mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons super fine almond flour, followed by 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Next, add 1 tablespoon of egg white protein powder. Now here's a little tip when opening a new bag. Cut a raised flap on the bag. Then, on the rear side, trim that flap. This will give you an easy way to open those hard-to-open Mylar bags. Alright, now we'll add 1 tablespoon of allulose. Then, a tablespoon of a brown sugar replacement, followed by 1 teaspoon real vanilla extract. Last, you'll need 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And guys, I found this great option at Walmart. As you can see here, it's super clean with only 2 ingredients. Before mixing everything together, take a moment to break up the brown sugar substitute. Then, stir the mixture thoroughly until it's completely combined. This step is important. You want a smooth, well-incorporated base. Now it's time to prep the mold. Lightly coat your silicone mold with either butter or oil. And the silicone mold you see here comes from Michael's, and I highly recommend it. Now, carefully spoon your mixture into the mold. Make sure not to smear it along the sides. Push the mixture from the center outward into the corners. This technique helps prevent that thin, overcooked layer that can form along the edges. Also, rotate the mold as you do this, pressing evenly into each corner. Now, drop the mold lightly onto your countertop to help level the surface. Now it's time to get these in the microwave. Now the cooking instructions here are really important. I'm using a 1000-watt microwave, and we're going to start off with 2 minutes at 50% power. Now if you listen closely, you'll hear it cycle on and off. That is what reduced power level does. It mimics short bursts of cooking, like manually running 30-second intervals, but automatically. Once the first cook cycle is done, carefully remove the mold from the microwave. It will be hot, so please don't do what I did in this video. Normally, at this point, I'd flip the mold upside down onto parchment paper and microwave it that way for the next step. But since I needed a good thumbnail, I skipped that here. So again, to be safe, just place the parchment paper on top, flip it over, and return it to the microwave. For the second cycle, we're going to cook this for 30 seconds at full power. So if you have the quick 30-second option on your microwave, just tap it. Now doesn't it look so delicious now? But hey, you need to let it cool on the countertop for a few minutes. Now you can eat it warm, but I highly recommend placing it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Chilling it will definitely give you the ultimate keto chew. And if you want to dip it in the richest, creamiest keto milk you'll ever taste, you've got to try this recipe. And once you've fallen in love with it, why not try following it up with some delicious, low-carb, ketogenic chocolate pudding made with the very same milk. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.